and well, tell me about the engine. In fact, tell you what, before you do that, can we take the engine cover off and have a look? Because I think we can have a look under there.
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
Just look at how tight the packaging is under the carbon cover. Dicker is rightly proud of that, especially having the intercoolers mounted directly on top of the trumpets, reducing the intake lengths. The engine is a custom-built 4-litre V10 done entirely to Rodin's design. They had originally considered using a Judd V10, but eventually the plan is to build road cars, and that engine, with its port injection system, would never pass emissions regulations.